But in fairness, then I'm trying to do it anyway. They're protecting businesses.
Welcome on board Virgin Trains. We'll be travelling to Edinburgh, calling at Birmingham International,
Yeah, no, thank you.
Birmingham New Street, Hartwell and Dudley, Wolverhampton, Crewe, Warrington Bank Quay, Wigan North Western, Preston, Lancaster, Oxenholme Lake District, Penrith, Carlisle, Haymarket.
Well, the press release that's been issued, because I'm not seeing it, that reinforces protecting investors. What have they said about why you to do code in the first place?
Yeah, no, that's brilliant, mate. Well, if they go to reception, when they get there, if they're just going to reception, they'll take a slip from the room anyway, mate. So I'll give Tim a call and let him know. Right, alright, brilliant. So I'll let them know, mate. Alright, you're a star. Really appreciate your help. That's great. Thanks for your help, mate. I do appreciate it. It's not far away, to be fair. Brilliant. You never know, you never know. I was going to say never, there's human nature in there, mate, so. Alright, mate.
It's the train, I think, Gerard, in fairness. I am, yeah.
That's super. Thanks for your help, mate. I do appreciate it. Cheers, mate. Bye, bye.
But you don't want me to do anything before time, maybe 2 or 3 days. Who's sent it? Well, I think Charles is disreputable. I think, you know, come from Harley in the context of here's positive news we want to share.
Any other share, guys? Just that. Anything else?
I'll look to this. It's good.
Yeah, of course you can, mate.
News anyway, so it's going to be good to see.
Cheers, thank you.
Well, I think.
Can I take the cup and the...
Yeah, of course you can.
I'm not going to take the wine. Can I take that?
Cheers.
That community
We're now approaching Birmingham International.
When leaving us here, make sure you have all your luggage and belongings with you, and please mind the step down to the platform.
Thank you for travelling with Virgin Trains.
What I can do while I'm on the train is I'll set up the conference room and set the details to you, and then if you want to share it with them at the time, then you just use my conference facilities to guide it, right?
Hello, mate. Guys. Yeah, so just very quickly, I've ordered those plugs and I should be using 4 or 5 today. So, yeah, I've given them your mobile anyway, the local address or whatever. They just arrived and I just back on, just like a taxi driver basically. So, he's confirmed that it's all gone through and whatever, so just send me an email to confirm.
Well, I'll set this up right, and then I'll send it you, and then you'll need to just share it with some of any of his details, and then we'll get on the points.
Alright, mate, catch you later. Cheers. Bye. I've put a call into room, and because I've been in calls with him, I responded this morning to various questions. We set up with Bev Patchett for him to contact you for the Hannah's discussion, which is happening. So everything's progressed as we said. I'm now waiting for today for room.
So am I.
By the way, one of the questions about Patrick, I've said.
Oh, well, I'm just popping into Birmingham International.